Hi, I'm Mancuso. Today I'm going to show you how to work the Garmin Autopilot in a Bristell. So we start with the altitude button. We put on altitude and then we twist this knob here. And if you come over to here, you see this little chevron by the 200? As I'm twisting the knob, it's coming up and then it'll go up to here. So now I'm going to come back to here and I'm going to take this knob and I'm going to twist that. So as I'm twisting this knob, you're going to come back over here and you're going to see each time I twist it, it goes up 100 feet. But we're going to go to 7,000. So I'm going to twist it first and go right up to 7,500, which is where we would be flying to. So that's how we would work and set the autopilot. But it's not been activated yet, it's just on. But we have to tell it how fast do we want to climb. So that's this button, vertical speed. So I have to touch vertical speed, and when I do that, the light came on. Now it came off of autopilot, now it's on vertical speed. So I had to take this wheel and I had to move this, and see this chevron here? See, I'm turning that little wheel now and I'm bringing it up to say maybe 800 feet a minute climb. This would be 1,000, so it's a little less than 1,000. So then we have to decide we want to fly off the heading or the track of the VOR. Let's say we're going to fly on the heading. We touch that and the light comes on to show that it's going to work. Now once that comes on, we have this chevron here, and when we turn that chevron, it's going to say wherever we want to go. Let's say we want to go 168 degrees right there. So we put the chevron there, so when I engage the autopilot, it's going to climb at 800 feet a minute. It's going to go to this heading 160 and climb to 7,000 feet. When I get to 7,000 feet, it will level off. So now it's ready to go, but it hasn't been engaged. When I hit this button, it's going to engage. So we're on the ground, so I'm going to shut it off quite quickly after I engage it. But I engage it, you hear it come on, you see the stick moving, and now I'm turning it off. It has a blue level button. You push that and it'll automatically hold your heading and your altitude. You can fly nav, which will be flying the course to the VOR, or track, or heading, any one of those choices. And that's how you work the autopilot in a Bristell. Mancuso, the landing doctor, live with limitations, and stay safe.